Time for the fun part. Importing the AI and creating the AI blueprint, the blend space, and the animation blueprint in order to interact and have more fun in the game and create the part where the character is actually going to be doing something with the moves we all just made. So this process is exactly the same as creating the character. So we're going to go ahead and make all these folders, get the mutant animation or the skeleton. Again, skeletal mesh, make sure it's set to none and that you download it in the T-pose. All right, once you got it imported, we're going to go ahead and import the animations. And I will have these all in the link. You can download the project file. This is all free. These are all free assets. Therefore, it is free for you guys to download as well via me. All right, and now the animations, make sure you set them to the mutant or whatever character you download to be the AI character. This is going to take a minute to import, especially with the fingers and stuff. As you can see below, it really likes to take its time sometimes, so just be patient. Bippity boppity boopity, there we go. And there we have it. We now have everything